Avocado, rich in potassium, amino acids, and fatty acids, is beneficial for revitalizing and deep conditioning dry hair, supporting hair health, DNA repair, and supple skin. Cinnamon extract and ground cinnamon are effective for hair growth due to their exfoliating properties, providing a deep, natural scalp cleanse. This eliminates debris and dirt, enhancing hair texture and thickness, and improving circulation to follicles for optimal growth. Star anise is a rich source of essential nutrients like vitamin E, vitamin C, and vitamin A, which are crucial for hair growth and strength. Vitamin C fights oxidative stress, vitamin A promotes sebum production, and vitamin E enhances scalp blood circulation. Castor oil, with its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, can help combat dandruff and other scalp issues. It also acts as a moisturizer, preventing dryness and flakiness. Castor oil's polarized nature attracts dirt, making it an effective and gentle cleanser for the skin. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy that nourishes and heals hair by preventing damage from UV rays, dirt, dust, and grime. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help remove hard water minerals, while its antioxidant properties prevent aging and wrinkling. Amla hair oil, rich in vitamin C and essential nutrients, enhances hair condition by nourishing hair follicles and promoting growth through its fatty acids. Cardamom has antioxidant-rich properties that revitalize the scalp and boost its health. It nourishes both the scalp and hair follicles, strengthening locks from within. The antibacterial properties of cardamom can effectively address scalp infections.